Hello traders, and welcome to a tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin on Binance using fiat currency. Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. In this tutorial, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance step by step. Let's get started. Step number 1. Set up a Binance account. Before you can buy Bitcoin on Binance, you will need to have a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, go to binance.com and sign up for an account. In case you don't know how to open an account, go watch my last video where I explain step by step how to open an account. Step number 2. Go to the Buy Crypto tab. Once you have an account, log in into your Binance account and go to the Buy Crypto tab. This is where you can deposit and withdraw funds and buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Step number 3. Click on the Buy with Credit Card button. In this section, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies that Binance support and the currencies you can pay with. Step number 4. Enter your information. Now, you will need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, the currency you want to pay with, and your payment method. Binance accepts credit and debit card payment, as well as bank transfers. Step number 5. Click the Confirm button. After you have entered all the necessary information, click the Confirm button. Binance will process your payment and your Bitcoin will be added to your Binance account. Step number 6. View your Bitcoin balance. To view your Bitcoin balance, go to your wallet and click on the Fiat and Spot button. From here, you can also send and receive or trade it for another cryptocurrencies. And that is it. You have now bought Bitcoin on Binance. I hope this step-by-step tutorial has been helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.